it looks beautiful until this is on. But thank God they did this with the right kind of varnish, and we are able to clean it off. Even if we do have to horse around quite a lot here. You don't go having nice woodwork trim and then get paint on it. Not if you know what you're doing, right? See, that's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about, right there. You gotta wear these gloves because this methyl hydrate can go right into your bloodstream, right through your skin. But yeah, gives you an idea where we're at there, how it's working, and it's working well. Sometimes you gotta horse around a bit to get a good product. Well, it's unfortunate, but we're not gonna let people think that I did that. Not if I want my reputation to shine. Looks good. Question is it good? Okay, here's my tools. Whiz roller. Okay, we're back to raw. Go like this, like so. Okay, we're running a several hour test here. 3 anyway, or for the rest of the day I'm here. These things are on full, and so far there's no cold wires or hot wires. Not even warm, they're all cold, so the heaters are working, and we're going on a little bit of a 3 or 4 hour test here. Everything's on full, because before we put these boards back on, I have to know. You look, you can see the green ground screw, but turn around. Not sooner.